Hey, what's up action takers? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to talk about Chinese New Year, and if you are doing dropshipping, you are most likely going to be affected by this. So we are gonna go through what is Chinese New Year and how it's gonna affect your business, and also what you can do to stay at a competitive advantage during this time. Just before we start, as promised, I'm gonna be providing you guys more videos this year, which means I'm going to start this series today where I'm going to be posting videos, pure valuable information for you guys if you're doing dropshipping, Facebook ads, e-commerce, and other paid platforms. It's gonna be called Tip Thursday, and this is gonna be the first one, which means if you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to do so, and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. Let's start. Alright, there's a few things that we're gonna cover today regarding the Chinese New Year. If you have a winner or if you don't have a winning product, then stay tuned because I'm gonna cover that as well. I'm gonna be discussing everything you need to know and how it's gonna affect your business when it's the actual Chinese New Year. Alright, let's actually start. What to expect during Chinese New Year 2020 while drop shipping. What is Chinese New Year? Now, the Chinese factories, warehouses, shops, the banks, the post offices, transportation hubs, shipment services will all be closed. They are going to be partying, they're going to be taking leave off. So you have to take that in mind, as this is really important for everyone in China. This is probably their biggest holidays every year, and you won't be able to contact your supplier at this time. How is it actually going to affect your business? So during Chinese New Year, which will be between January 25th, 2020 and February 8th, 2020, the suppliers will usually take about 1 to 4 weeks off. You'll have to contact them and ask them how many weeks they're taking off, when they are taking their leave off, so you know and you can prepare beforehand. Be aware that most of your orders won't be accepted during these times, but like I said, contact your supplier, maybe they can work something out for you. Now, the postal services and banks will take a holiday, and remember, this is an important one. After February 8th, the production will be slow. Even fulfilling your orders will be slow because they will have a lot of back orders. Keep that one in mind. But you're probably asking right now, how do you actually keep your business going during these times? If you plan correctly, you won't have to stop your business and you won't have to lose momentum at all. This is also important. Like I said, if you're an experienced dropshipper, you should already be preparing for this or have prepared for this before the holiday. But if you're not, don't worry, I'm gonna tell you guys everything you need to know or everything that you can do during Chinese New Year. Contact your suppliers now and find out their schedule. Prepare your website, especially your shipping time, so that customers are aware of their shipping delays. This one's an important one because you're gonna have to set up your website so that your customers will expect delays and will experience delays, so that even before they purchase from you, they know that they are going to get their orders quite late. One thing to counteract that is to add discount codes between 5 to 15% in your product description. It's up to you how much discount you want to give. This will decrease the amount of frustrated customers and overall lessen those customer complaints. Following point, you'll have to include this one as well into your strategy. Edit your confirmation order email. So what I mean by that is, after they have purchased from you, Shopify will automatically send thank you for purchasing from your store. So what you can do is actually go to your Shopify store, edit that email. You can tell them, there will be delays with their orders. Just apologize or give them a little bit of messages. I'll give you guys some examples that you can implement into your emails. Check these out. Now, a quick reminder as well, if you are spending a lot of ads, just cut down a little bit if you are not purchasing in bulk. So if you are still drop shipping from Chinese suppliers, then make sure to lower your ad spend during this time. Unless if you have a winning product. Now, a winning product is defined already selling at least 10 orders per day consistently. You're gonna have to just step back a little, avoid extensive scaling, like I said, unless you purchase in bulk, which is another topic. But at the same time, you want to improve your customer service as well and prepare some automated emails so you will lessen your customer complaints. Now, what I'll personally be doing, or what I have done so far, is buy in bulk and ship to US. Scale harder as competition will be a lot lower. This is really important. Other dropshippers won't be scaling at this time. Hire another VA for customer service. Create automated email messages so it's easier to respond. Also, a post confirmation order email that there will be a delay in receiving their orders. What you can do is add a discount in that email as well. And finally, quick tip and bonus for you guys: create a post-purchase custom audience on Facebook ads. Add a little small discount, 5 to 15%, and run a low budget ad which states that orders might be delayed. Now, these are the people that purchase from you. They're gonna see it on their news feed, and you're gonna be giving them a heads up plus a discount. If you're telling yourself, okay, I haven't found a winning product yet, what can you actually do? I'll tell you right now. Do extensive product research during this time. Now, you have a couple of weeks to do this. That's a lot of time to improve and import products to your store. Prepare your website, product description, and videos so that you can test extensively as soon as Chinese New Year ends. This is really important because this is setting up for success. You're gonna be closer to that golden winning product as soon as possible, especially after the Chinese New Year ends. And finally, spend extra time studying dropshipping. If you are wasting time, if you're just laying back, then you're probably not setting up for success. So keep that one in mind. Work on yourself, create habits, and set up a daily routine so that you can improve on a daily basis. And also you can optimize your time of the day when it's best for you to work on your business. If you're working at a 9 to 5 day job, then you'll find out, okay, it's actually best for me to work at night, late at night, and actually learn more about dropshipping, e-commerce, and Facebook ads. Hold on, there is still a way to test products. I'm gonna tell you guys right now how you can test products during this time. First point here is to bulk order. Buy in bulk now through Alibaba and ship it to USA fulfillment center. If you think about it, you'll have faster time, and you can also create branding of your product. You'll have your own logo on your product, so that's private labeling. Plus, you're thinking long term. That's how you're gonna beat other drop shippers who's just fulfilling through AliExpress and from a typical Chinese supplier. Second point here is to drop ship from USA. Use the AliExpress filter that only ships from USA, then contact the supplier if they can still continue selling through this method even in Chinese New Year. Now, typically if they have stock in US, they should still be able to continue selling the same product. Also, you'll have a faster shipping time. The shipping time is usually about 2 to 7 days in USA if they have stock there. Now, the last point here is do print on demand. If you don't know what that is, basically, you find a design, put it on a t-shirt, mugs, hoodies, and all that stuff. Do your research on that, because I believe print on demand is still an untapped market. Yes, although the t-shirt designs are getting saturated, but you can find different products and put designs on it that will allow you to scale harder than your typical dropshipping product. One final thing, which is the most important notes, some key takeaways that we will cover today. Customer first, listen to them and attend to their needs. It will be inevitable that you'll have customer complaining where their product is, why is it taking so long? So make sure that you stay on top of your customer service so that you won't get those chargebacks. Second thing is preparation is key. Edit your shipping and delivery page as well as your product description. I'll give you guys an example of what your shipping and delivery page could look like. I'll put it on the screen. Pause this video so you can copy that. The next thing is to edit your confirmation order email and state that there will be delay in shipment. Add a quick 5 to 15% discount in there. to reduce that customer frustration. Scale down if you don't have inventory in bulk, and take this time to improve your website, knowledge, and finally self-development. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that thumbs up if you did. Also, don't forget to comment down below #ActionTaker to win a one-on-one consulting call with me. If you haven't joined our Facebook group, it's called the ECOM Action Takers. I'll provide the link in the description. So if you have any questions regarding your dropshipping, e-commerce, Facebook ads, Google ads, and all this fun stuff, then join that. I will be answering your questions there. I'll see you guys soon.